Hey guys, another video here. I'm just here just to make a quick video. I'm gonna document everything I do in the car. I could just keep putting videos out there. But yeah, I'm just dusting out the engine bay. I know usually people, when they get like an old project car, they just like take out the engine and then pressure wash the engine bay. But I'm just cleaning it up, making it look good. I don't really want to mess with it too much, but I got bored today and I went to go I bought engine degreaser and some paper towels, and right now I'm just brushing it off. But yeah, it looks hella dusty, and yeah, that thing right there, earlier in the video I was doing it one hand, just holding the hood and cleaning, and then I went to like this dumpster and they had some metal pieces on that's holding up the hood. But yeah, right now I'm gonna put that degreaser there. It worked really good, but yep, looks better than what it used to be. Right now I'm gonna show you before and after. Yep, that's when it's cleaner and that's when it was dirtier. But yeah, quick video, there you go. Yeah, thanks for guys for watching. I'm gonna try to get the spark plug this weekend. And yep, see you guys in the next one.